GST was the most awaited indirect tax reform, which was introduced with effect from 1st July 2017. It is 2 years before we marked a great journey for the economic development of this nation. If you look back the 2 years, it is a very, very learning experience. When the GST was introduced, there are many people who were skeptical about its success. They were all citing the examples of some other countries where GST was introduced and they could not succeed. The latest example may be our neighboring country, Malaysia, where GST was introduced and after a few years experiment, they have to withdraw the GST because it has distorted the economy so much there. But in India, in the 2 years, we have implemented GST successfully because it is beneficial to all stakeholders. No economic reform or no reform which is not beneficial to the common man can never succeed. GST is beneficial to the common man because in the last 2 years, if we look at the price, none of the commodities prices have gone up. The rate of GST has been kept in such a way that not even a single commodity, we can say the rate was more than the pre-GST rates.
Started on 1st July 2017, we had taxpayers of 21,806 regular taxpayers and 3,000 odd taxpayers under composition, which have in these 2 years now grown to 33,700 as a regular taxpayers and 5,254 as composition taxpayers, increasing by 14,000 from the beginning.
Game changer reform into a reality. This was a sort of, as all of us know, this was a sort of transformation, the biggest transformation in tax laws in India since independence. And the way it has been carried on so smoothly by all the stakeholders, that is the department, the taxpayers, as well as the tax professionals, the way all three arms have worked in tandem goes to prove that we as a nation are for development and we will stand together with the government and if the right reforms are coming in place.
We have the goods and services tax, one nation, one tax, which has been a very historic legislation that's been brought about. We've had, as industry, definitely we've had smoother businesses. Thank you so much. Lower logistic costs, easier payments of taxes digitally. This is seen as a huge success by industry. Yes, there have been teething troubles, and you know that more than me. But at least direction is positive.
15th of August 1947, we got freedom from the British Raj. And 1st of July 2017, we got freedom from a complex 17 taxes, which was subsumed into one tax. I say freedom because the three of us come from industry. There was so much negativism spread about GST when it started. I used to read press reports, I used to read analysis on various TV channels. And as it is with a lot of media, I'm not criticizing the media because I also happen to promote a newspaper. But as it is with media today, the negatives were placed first before the positives. And we were really concerned as to how GST would pan out for us. I have a simple barometer. When I look at my companies that operate within my group of companies, whenever a new legislation is enacted or a new tax comes into effect, I see how many complaints come on my table.
Anniversary when things were still not going so good. And if people will remember and recollect, I had said at that point of time, we will grow from strength to strength as far as revenue collection is concerned, smoothening the system is concerned, getting the rough edges out and making it as simple as possible for the people of this country. As our Honorable Prime Minister always said, I call it good and simple tax. And how good and simple it is, he and his finance ministers, right from Arun Jaitley, and in between for a little while Mr. Piyush Goyal, and then of course now Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, are proving a point that here is such a big country, Here is a combination of the states. If you compare them, it becomes almost like a combination of smaller countries put together. And yet, you are succeeding in such a big reform.
All the state issues, whatever by the presented by the Manoj and all his friends also, our Honorable Minister, Mr. Marvin Gudino, is addressing here also and center also. Within the last 2 years, I think most with your support, the taxpayers and the CA, and we can succeed. Otherwise, it is not possible. I think the Honorable Prime Minister has taken this step to form the New India. I don't want to express much things about the GST, but I'll tell you, rightly the Srinivas Baba have mentioned that in 1947, the India has liberated. The second revolution has occurred in now, when we is in tax revolutions. Modi ji has said about the New India formation. In every moment, Modi ji is telling about the agriculture sector, in the insurance sector, health sector, the every steps he has taken to form the New India. And definitely he is succeeding in the New India formation.